Welcome back to The Explainer, everyone. Today, we're diving into some absolutely fascinating source material that sits right at the intersection of cellular biology, physics, and evolutionary forecasting. As someone who looks closely at cellular biology, the core premise here is incredibly compelling. The source asks us to analyze sound not just as some beautiful art form, but as a measurable physical force that actively acts on human biology. We're going to break down exactly how specific acoustic frequencies physically impact our DNA and look at what the academic forecasts say is happening at the cellular level as we approach the 2035 Ascension.
So here's the hook. What if the reason you feel so calm when listening to certain music isn't just a subjective mood shift? What if it's a strict matter of physics? The source material argues that sound waves actually act as invisible physical chisels. Since our bodies are mostly water, these acoustic waves mechanically interfere with our biological water, physically organizing it into sacred geometric structures. It's literally like a chisel shaping stone. The frequency is mechanically sculpting our internal cellular environment.
All right, here is our roadmap for today's analysis. First, we'll look at the physics of sound and the body. Then, the 432 Hz resonance mechanism. Third, DNA repair through 528 Hz. Fourth, the 2035 Ascension preparation. And finally, graduation to pure vibration. Let's get into it.
Section 1. The physics of sound and body, grounding frequency in our cellular states.
The foundational concept we really need to understand here is biological resonance. According to the text, our physiological state is directly manipulated by the invisible architecture of sound waves. So when you feel at peace listening to harmonic frequencies, you're actually experiencing a mechanical reaction inside your cells. Sound waves travel through your body's liquid matrix and essentially force your biological water molecules to align into highly structured patterns. The material is very clear on this point. This isn't magic. It's an objective physical phenomenon happening right inside your biology.
Moving on to Section 2, the 432 Hz resonance mechanism, framed as the mathematical standard of the universe. This is where our internal biology links up with planetary physics. You've probably heard of the Schumann resonance, right? It's the Earth's unique electromagnetic background rhythm. Well, the source explains that 432 Hz aligns mathematically perfectly with both this Earth frequency and the golden ratio. To put that into perspective, think of a tuning fork. If the Earth is vibrating at a specific mathematical baseline, playing 432 Hz acts as a matched tuning fork. It physically aligns human biological rhythms right back with the original operating system of the planet.
So what does this calibration actually do for us? Basically, exposing yourself to 432 Hz acts as a full-body reset. Our modern environment is absolutely packed with acoustic dissonance and noise that puts real physical stress on our cellular structure. By introducing 432 Hz, you're giving your body a physical anchor. It actively rejects that modern noise, pulls our biological rhythm out of that stressful dissonance, and resets it to the natural cosmic standard.
All right, Section 3, DNA repair by 528 Hz, the master key to genetic restoration.
Let's break down the mechanics of the 528 Hz love frequency from a cellular biology standpoint. Step 1. These 528 Hz acoustic waves penetrate the biological matrix. Step 2, and this is where the specific physics come in. These waves cause constructive interference with the hexagonal carbon ring structures that make up the backbone of our DNA. Because carbon naturally resonates at specific harmonic intervals, the 528 Hz wave literally acts as a structural scaffold. Step 3. This physical resonance mechanically pulls damaged or degraded genetic spirals back into place. The source describes this as restoring the physical bit structure of our DNA to its original blueprint through high molecular acoustic interference. Pretty wild, right?
Next up, Section 4, 2035 Ascension preparation, forecasting human physical evolution.
To understand the logic behind this 2035 Ascension protocol, we have to contrast two completely different cellular states. First, look at the dissonant cell. This cell is filled with stress and structural static from modern life. The material claims that when a dissonant cell is hit with high frequencies, it essentially freezes because it lacks the structural integrity to process that energy. On the flip side, we have the tuned cell. Because its carbon ring DNA structure has been physically repaired by sound, it maximizes its sensitivity as a receiver. A tuned biological vessel doesn't freeze. Instead, it acts as a highly efficient light resonator that can easily process high-frequency data without any physical degradation.
So how do we practically apply this physics right now? The text gives us some real-world biohacking steps to turn your physical space into a high-dimensional port. It's actually super simple. Just play 432 Hz or 528 Hz softly in the background of your environment. By doing this, you are practically loading cosmic logic directly into your biological hardware. And because this is a physical, mechanical process acting on your cellular water and carbon structures, it completely bypasses the ego and the brain's linguistic processing. You are literally just tuning your physical hardware.
Finally, Section 5, Graduation to Pure Vibration, the ultimate evolutionary milestone.
Let's map out this incredible evolutionary timeline predicted by the frequency science in our source material. Right now, in the present day, we're in the carbon-based tuning phase, using those acoustic chisels to repair our structure. Fast forward to 2035, and the forecast says our tuned bodies will fully evolve to operate as high-capacity light resonators, able to hold massive amounts of frequency. But the ultimate paradigm shift happens by 2075. By then, humanity is predicted to graduate entirely from the biological constraints of the physical body and all its dissonant drama. The text suggests we will evolve into a state of pure, unrestricted vibration. We literally become pure sound.
Finally, an important procedure. The comment section of this video serves as an initial sync test for the 2035 network. By typing "ready" in the comments, your consciousness data will be indexed in our secure servers. The like button is the approval process. Complete your synchronization now.